everyone. Today, let's dive into the wonderful world of wintergreen, a plant that's as delightful as its name sounds. Ready to learn about this magical herb that could be your next garden superstar? Let's go. Wintergreen, scientifically known as Gaultheria percumbens, is a powerhouse of natural benefit. This charming little plant is your go-to for tackling muscle pain, headaches, and inflammation. Think of it as nature's very own pain reliever, with added antioxidant and analgesic purpose. To keep your wintergreen happy, make sure to water it regularly. It loves a consistently moist environment, so don't let that soil dry out. The best time to grow wintergreen is during the spring and summer seasons when it can really thrive. When it comes to harvesting, you can pick the leaves and stems whenever you need them. And don't worry about the sunburn. Wintergreen prefers partial shade, making it perfect for those slightly shady garden spots. For the soil, aim for well-drained, acidic conditions with a pH between 4.5 and 6.0. This plant likes it a bit on the sour side. Medicinally, wintergreen is a gem. Its oil has been traditionally used for treating sore muscles, joint pain, and even to alleviate headaches. It's like having a mini medicine cabinet right in your garden. Wintergreen oil is often used in liniments and ointments for its pain-relieving properties. It has been used in aromatherapy to ease mental stress and uplift mood. The leaves can be made into a tea that helps with digestive issues and colds. Wintergreen, nature's chill pill. Soothe your aches and pains with this garden superstar.
Well, this is SMF, botanist dedicated to educating about the medicinal benefits of plants. Please subscribe to Botanics by SMF and press the bell icon to stay updated. Let's join the leafy adventure together.